I'm part of the DOT legal team. I will first give a statement, and then we will have time for a few questions. After a diligent review of the ad materials in question, the Department of Tourism has decided to discontinue its partnership with McCann Worldwide Group Philippines. In the midst of the controversy, the Department of Tourism expects a public apology from McCann over the negative feedback that the department has been receiving owing to the glaring similarities between McCann's Sites ad and South Africa's ad released in 2014. We also wish to announce that we will be reopening the procurement process for the production of new advertising materials which will be consistent with the current slogan, "It's more fun in the Philippines." Thus, we encourage those with fresh and original ideas that will showcase our diversely rich tourist destinations and the unique Filipino hospitality to join in this venture. Thank you. Questions?
Sir, bakit biglang nagbago yung decision natin? I mean, from 2 days ago, sinusupport natin yung McCann. Ngayon...
We mentioned the other day that in situations like this, nothing is final. After a thorough review and after listening to the stakeholders of the industry, of which Secretary Juan Mateo is very sensitive to. In fact, yesterday we went to many of the association's meetings, including USECAT, USECBOM. I attended the Philtoa GMM. After all this and exhausting all what we see online and offline, we figure that this is the best way to move forward.
Sir, yung partnership na pag-alis natin, for this alone lang or pati sa mga susunod? I understand you have partnership.
Yes, we are discontinuing the partnership for all. I think it's high time that we open it up. As you know, this is something that we inherited from the past administration. We were happy, Anak was a good material, but as it happens, it does happen. So the Secretary Wanda was very clear in her instructions to us this morning that we have to move forward because there's so much work that has to be done to promote the country.
Sir, what will happen to the third video? Magdadali po ba yung release ng given na parang
The third video will now have to come from the winner of the next, when we reopen the procurement process, whoever will win that. We were also instructed by Secretary Wanda Tulfo-Teo that she would like now each material to be done by one. We don't want anymore to do several assigned to one. So it's going to be one agency per material.
Just a question. Since you have decided that the DOT has decided to discontinue your partnership with McCann, is this tatanggalin po ba yung Sites video from the commercials, or it will still be aired?
Actually, we only used it one day. I think 2 spots. Everything else was not placed yet. It's part of a bigger plan, so we will no longer use the material.
Kailan po kayo planong mag-open up ng procurement for the bid?
Attorney Chief, you give them how it goes.
Kasi under the law po, ang bidding natin merong set guidelines. So immediately as we come up with the new terms of preference, we will open the bidding process.
So what happens to the 16?
We want to clarify.